Hi, boys and girls. We're back in my beautiful field of flowers with our double rainbow. Thank you to our green screen technology. And we're going to learn a little bit more about rainbows today. But first, I want to share this Scholastic book. We wanted to thank Scholastic for their permission. And this book is just called Weathers. It's a science vocabulary reader. It's written by Justin McCory Martin, has real pictures, it's nonfiction. Let's just learn a little bit more about weather. What is weather? Look out the window, what do you see? You see today's weather. The weather's always changing. It can be sunny, it can be cloudy, it can be rainy, or even super snowy. Why does it rain? Clouds are filled with teeny drops of water. The drops grow and grow. When the drops get too heavy to hang in the air, they fall down as raindrops. A falling raindrop looks like this up close. Why does it snow? When it is very cold, the water drops inside clouds freeze. Then they fall down as fluffy white snowflakes. A snowflake looks like this up close. Changing seasons. Every year we get to enjoy 4 fantastic seasons. Chilly, wet winter is followed by warm, wet spring. Next comes hot summer, then comes cool, crisp fall. Around and around the 4 seasons go. Why does the weather change with the seasons? It's because the earth revolves around the sun. In winter, the part of the earth where the United States tilts away from the sun. That makes the weather colder, as you can see in that diagram. In summer, the part of earth where the United States is tilts toward the sun. This makes the weather hotter. It also gives us more hours of sunlight. Measuring weather. Some people have the important job of figuring out how weather will change. They are called weather forecasters. Weather forecasters use special tools like satellites and a weather station to gather information about the air. They take the pictures from the satellites. A thermometer is a tool you can use to measure the temperature. A high number means it is hot. A low number means it is cold. Rainbows happen when sunlight shines through falling raindrops. We'll talk a little bit more about that in a minute. What other weather tools can you use? You can use your 5 senses. You can feel the wind, you can taste snow, you can hear the thunder, you can smell rain, and you can see a rainbow. Let's learn a little bit more about rainbows. I did some research on Pebbles Go, and I would challenge you to do so also. And there are a couple of really good books you can listen to on Pebbles Go after you do your research. One is called Liquid Rainbow, and the other one's just called Rainbows. So what is a rainbow? It's curved lines of color in the sky. Sunlight is bent as it shines through water vapor in the air. The bent light makes the rainbow. The light we see normally is visible or white light, but it is made of the 7 colors. When that white light is bent through the water droplets, we can see the whole spectrum of colors. The colors are always in the same order. There's a little trick to remember them. It's called Roy G. Biv. Roy is for red, orange, yellow. G for green. Biv is for blue, indigo, and violet. Roy G. Biv. Look for rainbows when it is both rainy and sunny. If you turn your back to the sun and look up, and there's enough water vapor in the air to bend the light, you might see a rainbow. When the water vapor dries, the rainbow will disappear. There's no longer water to bend the light. I hope you enjoyed learning about rainbows.